Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Moa for class 6 English. I hope you get this unit test for timetable, syllabus and also paper format. Now we are going to start our revision for chapter 3 and 4 as per paper format. First question is their glossary means new word. So here I given as per unit 3 in activity 1 scarce, not easy to find or get. Desalination, the removal of salt from seawater. Condense, to change or make something change from a gas to a liquid or solid state. Do you know our lesson name water everywhere? From this activity we find out new words. Pasture, a grazing land area. Spigot, a tap. Rim, the outer often curved or circular edge of something. Activity 8, the water barrel part 2. New words. Hired man, a paid person. Get something done, finish, complete some job. Brim, edge, usually circular or round. Stumble, fall or begin to fall. Activity 10, the water barrel part 3. Glossary. Took off, here started. To be thick with, here full of. Plunge down, suddenly start doing something. Screwed, here fashioned. Hose, pipe carrying water. Barn, a large building on a farm in which hay means dried grass and grain are kept. Vanished, disappeared. Run dry, here get out of water, become empty. Fire was out, fire got extinguished. Worn out, greatly tired and exhausted. Lumber, wooden log. Grinned, laughed. As per unit 4, activity 1, Buddha's disciple gets a new robe. In this chapter, glossary are there. To make sure, to take action, show that you are certain that something happens, is true. Utensils, tools to be used in kitchen for cooking. Rag, a torn piece of old cloth. Activity 9, bags to buildings. Hurricane, a violent storm with very strong winds, especially in the western Atlantic Ocean. Concrete, a very hard building material made by mixing together cement, sand, small stones and water. Sack, pile. Stack means pile. Cell, outer covering of something. Conserving, protecting from damage, change or waste. Question 2, true or false? Drinking water is scarce on the planet Earth. True. Less than 1% of Earth's water is drinkable. True. So, don't waste the water. Save water. Only 1% of Earth's water is drinkable, means fresh water. The practice of covering seawater into drinking water is very old. True. Ancient Greeks had started the practice of converting seawater into drinking water. True. Desalination is the process of removing salt from seawater. True. In the process of desalination, first seawater is heated and then cooled. True. The cooled steam is condensed back into water in the process of desalination. True. In the traditional desalination process, only small amounts of water can be made drinkable. True. As per textbook, I find out this true or false. Read 2-3 times and watch video. The traditional method of desalination is quite inexpensive. False. quite inexpensive falls. If the technology for desalination improves, fresh water becomes less plentiful. True. Next, David's parents drove away to town for shopping in the morning. True. David was asked to fill the water barrel with water to its full capacity. True. Monday was the day when they did not get water and had to use another source of water. False. David wanted to go to the pasture to help Pete with the animals. True. David's parents warned him of trouble if he did not follow their instruction. True. David's house was self-made. True. In future, David and his parents would dig a well for their water source. True. David saw that water barrel had very little water inside. True. David did not want to sacrifice his morning pleasures by wasting his time in filling the water barrel. True. David filled up the water barrel with 6 buckets of water. False. How many? 30. The splashing noise of water from the water barrel indicated that the barrel was almost full. False. Pete helped David with the fence work. False. Pete saw smoke coming out of the distant house and cried out. True. David climbed to the top rail of the fence to see the smoke at the distance. True. The smoke was coming from a cellar window. True. David and Pete extinguished the fire laying a hose connected to the water barrel. True. David did not go away, leaving Pete alone when Pete was in the house extinguished fire. True. The dry lumber in the cellar had caught fire. True. The fire would not have been extinguished had David not filled up the water barrel to its full capacity. True. Next, last true or false. One architect from USA means America. Do you know? Yes. Has helped people in Haiti build new homes. True. The new homes built from the tires, bottles and other trash in Haiti are called earth homes. False. What called? Earthships. Okay. The trash to build homes in Haiti was collected after a destruction caused by a hurricane. True. A school in Pune, Maharashtra is built almost entirely from recycled materials. True. Aman Setu Primary School was built with walls made of plastic bottles, cow dung, bamboo and straw. True. The classrooms of Aman Setu Primary School were built using the earth straw technique. True. In the earth bag technique, they use sacks filled with a mix of the earth and waste products in them. True. The earth bags are stacked, tied with wire and then plastered over. True. Those who read these lessons and watched properly these videos, they understand true or false. So watch daily and learn by heart. The children in Aman Setu play in open spaces and learn about nature. True. The uniforms of Aman Setu Primary School are colored with vegetable dyes. True. When the students of Aman Setu need extra space, they have class in the cell of an old bus. True. Everyone comes to school in a school bus to reduce the energy needed to go to school. True. Aman Setu Primary School is the place where everything is reduced, reused or recycled. True. Now we go as per our next Roman. Match the following. Old robe, new bedspread. Old bedspread, new window curtain. Old curtain for handling hot utensils. Old cloth for mopping the floor. Old rags wigs in the lamps. I hope you understand this revision of glossary means new words, meanings, true or false, and math the following. In our next video, we will see MCQs and question answer. So continue your watching and learn by heart for unit